Hey, what's up YouTube family, it's me Milan and welcome to my channel Technological Facts. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can copy any text from any application or from any website. For example, I need a music for my video. So usually most of the people prefer to use songs or music from NCS. Right? But to use NCS music, you should provide the credit to the owner of the music by simply copying the music credit and pasting it in your video description box while uploading the video. But you cannot copy it through YouTube. And you should go to Chrome browser and then you should open YouTube and then you should enable desktop site option or not, and then you should search for the channel from where you are gonna choose your music, and then after you should choose your music, and then after only you can copy the text or the credits. Seriously, it takes a lot of time to copy just a simple text. We should not. So after this video, you'll find a way to get rid of this problem. That's why watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, do not even forget to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos at first. So without any wastage of time, let's start the video. So friends, first of all you should go to Play Store and here you should download the application named Universal Copy. Just install this application, and also this application is only up to MB so that it will not occupy more space in your mobile phone. Let the application install. After installing the application, open it. And the app interface will be like this. First of all, you should enable a setting here and then click on open setting option, and in here you should search for universal copy option, and if you click on that, then you will be able to enable a setting here. You should enable this setting and just click on OK. Then after, if you scroll down the notification bar, then you will be able to see a logo of Universal Copy. Now your 50% of the work is completed, and now you can copy any text from any application or from any website. And as I have already told you that we cannot copy the text from the description box of YouTube, and if you need any information or links from there, then we cannot copy it. And if I need any NCS music and if I need to copy any credit from the description box, rather than going to Chrome and doing a lot of stuff there, simply I'll go to YouTube and search for NCS music as usual, and I will choose one music there. And now what you have to do, after choosing the music, just scroll down the notification bar and click on Universal Copy option, and the application will start working. And to copy the description or link or the exact information you want, just click on this option and then click on pencil option and just copy the text you want to copy like this. And if you click on clipboard option, then the text will be saved. Likewise, you can use this application for any other application or for any other website. I have mentioned you about how you can use this application and how you can copy the text from the description box of YouTube. Likewise, you can use the simple process to copy the text from any other application or any other website. Hope you like this video, and if I have helped you a little bit through this video, then do not even forget to subscribe my channel, and before leaving the video, do not forget to leave a comment about your thinking about this video, and like this video and share this video so that the other people will also get rid of this problem. So this was for today. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.